I just want to say, with all this commotion about Big Bird, I know Big Bird. And Obama, you got the bird. Look what happened to the economy over here. Big Bird's been loafing long enough. It's time he goes out and gets a real job, like me, or Triumph, or even Terry Fader's puppets, which they can all kiss my feathery blue fuzzy little butt as far as I'm concerned, because I think Terry Fader was lip syncing. But as far as I'm concerned, Big Bird should get out on the street and panhandle for some money if they gotta pay for their airtime. Because I'm tired of trying to see that Big Bird fly. That turkey has hit its limit. Adios. I'm out of here. That's my 2 cents. Bernie at www.oscarandbernie.com.